Ciao! Today we're gonna make a nice gnocchi with a very good pesto. For this recipe we need of course potato, egg, flour, a bit of olive oil and salt. Let's start with put on fire some water, and when it is boiled we put some salt. We take our potato and we put inside the water. So in the meantime, because we need to wait our potato, we prepare a nice pesto. Basil, olive oil, pepper, salt, pinoli and Parmigiano Reggiano. We start with the basil and we take off the leaves very carefully, slowly. Don't be too strong on the leaves, otherwise it can get black and it's not good. Now that we have cleaned all our basil, we put some olive oil, a bit of pepper, put a scoop of ice inside for keep the color very green. We take our baby and then we push a bit and then we start like add the oil very slowly. Now it's time to add a touch of garlic, add the Parmigiano, add the pinoli, and the last but not least, salt. When our pesto is almost ready, we test if it's too salty. It's good. If it's good with the Parmigiano, if it's good with the pepper. It's always important that you test what you make. Our potato should be ready, so we take a fork and then we check. If it's like this, okay, we are good. We take this and now that we have cut our potato, we use this. I had the meat grinder because I couldn't find the smashed potato. So we take our potato and we start to smash it inside. We have our smashed potato. So take a bit of flour, put inside like this, and then we take our smashed potato. We take the egg, a bit of salt, and now we add a bit of flour, not too much. Start to mix it. We add the flour again, and then we mix. So the dough is ready. We take a couple of spoons of our pesto and we put in a bowl. Our water is boiling, so we put a bit flour. We got a piece of our dough. Gently we roll it. Take off the flour. And then we put in the water. For understand when they are ready, they come up. When they come up, are ready. Take it off. We put in a bowl. Oil. The pesto doesn't have to be cooked. That's why I put it in a bowl and not on fire. It's very important. We take our gnocchi, pesto on top, pinoli, some parmesan. For today's everything, I show you how I make my gnocchi col pesto. And if you have any question, leave a comment below. And if you like it, let me know.